Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb, whose full name was Abu al-Muzaffar Muhi-ud-Din Muhammad Aurangzeb, was the sixth Mughal Emperor of India. He ruled from 1658 to 1707 and is known for his religious conservatism, extensive military campaigns, and policies that differed from those of his predecessors. Here are some key points about Aurangzeb. Ascension to the throne. Aurangzeb was the third son of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal. After a series of power struggles and conflicts among his brothers, Aurangzeb emerged victorious and ascended the throne in 1658, imprisoning his father in the Agra Fort. Religious policies. Aurangzeb is known for his strict adherence to orthodox Sunni Islam and the implementation of policies that reflected his religious conservatism. He imposed Islamic laws, banned various practices and festivals, and repealed many of the religious toleration measures enacted by his predecessors. Aurangzeb's policies created tensions with non-Muslim communities and led to increased religious tensions in the empire. Military campaigns. Aurangzeb engaged in numerous military campaigns to expand and consolidate Mughal rule. He conducted prolonged campaigns in the Deccan aimed at subjugating the regional powers, particularly the sultanates of Bijapur and Golconda. These campaigns were characterized by prolonged warfare and strained the resources of the empire. Administrative reforms. Aurangzeb implemented administrative reforms to strengthen the Mughal Empire. He sought to maintain a centralized system of governance and work to combat corruption and inefficiency in the bureaucracy. Aurangzeb's reign also saw the introduction of a more rigid and centralized system of revenue collection. Economic and cultural policies. Aurangzeb was known for his frugal lifestyle and austere personal habits. He imposed restrictions on courtly extravagance and sought to promote a more conservative and pious atmosphere. His policies also aimed to encourage agricultural development and revenue generation. Position and legacy. Aurangzeb's religious policies and extensive military campaigns generated opposition within the empire. He faced resistance from regional powers, such as the Marathas, as well as from the Sikh community and Rajput rulers. Aurangzeb's reign is often considered a turning point in Mughal history, as it marked the beginning of a decline in the empire's power and influence. Death and succession. Aurangzeb ruled for nearly 50 years until his death in 1707. After his death, the Mughal Empire faced a series of challenges and internal conflicts, leading to its gradual disintegration and the emergence of regional powers. Aurangzeb's reign is a subject of historical debate and controversy. While he is praised for his military acumen and administrative reforms, his religious policies and intolerance have drawn criticism. His rule marked a shift towards a more orthodox and conservative approach, which had a significant impact on the social fabric and stability of the Mughal Empire.